Hi guys, in this video we're gonna install SQL. So we need to write MySQL download in the search box and then just click on enter button. After that, just click mysql.com and then under the download button we need to click MySQL community download and come to MySQL installer for Windows. Just click it, select operating system, and this is for Microsoft Windows, and then click download button again. And no thanks, just start my download button. You need to click this. After download ends, we need to run the file. Now installation is starting. Just click developer default and then click next button. Please select next button and then yes button, and then again next button, and then again yes button. And in this stage we need to click on execute button. Yeah, so we have downloaded all, and click next again and then execute, and it started to install the downloaded files. So installations are over. Just click next button. Again, just click next. Then click next, and again just click next button. And in this level you need to create a password and write it down on both of these boxes. Just write them on those boxes, and then you need to click next, and then again next button, and again next button. In this level we need to click execute. And we need to just click on finish, and after that we need to click on next button and click on finish button, and then again next button. Here we need to write our password, and then we need to click next button again, and then please come to execute. So come to finish button and click it. Come to next button. Please unclick start MySQL shell. Come to finish and click. Now installation is over. So just click local instance MySQL, and let's just run it.